Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you about different methods in arithmetic mean. Okay, na? Methods of arithmetic mean. It is also called as AM in short form. Okay, it is one of the measure in central tendency. Measures of central tendency. This is one of the method. Okay, the first one is individual series. Individual series or observations or method, we can call anything. Okay, so individual observations or series or method. Okay, so in individual observations or individual method, the formula in this we are having two methods. One is direct method. Direct method. The formula of arithmetic mean in direct method for individual observations is x bar equals to summation xi by n. Okay, na? This is direct method formula in individual series for arithmetic mean, where x bar equals to arithmetic mean, capital N equals to number of observations. Number of observations. Sometimes here small n also they will denote small n also. Okay, nothing happens. You can denote capital N or small n. Anything you can. Okay. So next is summation xi. Summation xi is sum of observations. Sum of observations. Okay. So this is formula for direct method to calculate arithmetic mean in individual series. Okay, next B. Next method is shortcut method. Shortcut method. This is also called as assumed mean. Assumed mean. Okay, assumed mean method or shortcut method. Okay, so the formula for shortcut method or assumed mean to calculate arithmetic mean in individual series is x bar equals to a plus summation di by n. Okay, so this is the formula for arithmetic mean by using shortcut method, where x bar equals to arithmetic mean, a equals to assumed mean, n equals to number of observations, summation di equals to sum of deviations. Okay, this formula is xi minus a. Okay, so summation di equals to formula what? Xi minus a. So this can be said as sum of the deviations from assumed mean. Okay, this can be read as like this. Okay, so next, discrete series. Okay, now we completed individual series. Now discrete series. Okay, discrete series. In this discrete series also, you are having different methods to calculate arithmetic mean. So as usual, the first method is direct method. Direct method. Okay. So in direct method, the formula is x bar equals to summation fi xi by capital N. Okay. So this is the formula for calculating arithmetic mean by using direct method in discrete series. Okay. So where x bar equals to arithmetic mean, summation fi xi equals to sum of the product of frequencies and value of variable. Okay. Next, capital N equals to summation fi. Okay, that equals to sum of frequencies. Okay, so when you see here, capital N denotes number of observations. Okay, but when it comes to here in discrete series, capital N is nothing but we have to add all the frequencies. Okay, now so that is the difference between individual series and discrete series when capital N comes. Okay, so and the next method is shortcut method. Yeah, and the next method is shortcut method in discrete series to calculate arithmetic mean. Shortcut method. Shortcut method is also called as what? Assumed method. Okay? Assumed mean or method. Okay? So here x bar equals to a plus summation fi di by capital N into C. Okay, where this is a formula where x bar equals to arithmetic mean, a equals to assumed mean, summation fi di equals to sum of products of deviations and frequencies. Okay. Next, capital N equals to summation fi. This equals to sum of frequencies. Okay, if we add all the frequencies, we'll get capital N. Okay, next, C equals to difference between class intervals. We can also tell as width of class intervals. We can also tell difference or else width in order to get C value. Okay, and here this method is useful. This method is useful when the values of items of a series of a series are large, or in fractions. This method simplifies the calculations. Okay, na? So we use this shortcut method, okay, in discrete series because of when the items in the series are large or in fractions. Okay, why? Because this simplifies the calculations. Okay, if we use this formula, it simplifies the calculations. So that's why when the series is having large items, okay, we prefer shortcut method. Okay, now, and the next one is weighted arithmetic mean. Weighted arithmetic mean. Okay, so nothing but instead of frequencies we take here weights. Okay, now, so the formula is x bar equals to summation wi xi by summation wi. Okay, where I equals to 1, 2 and so on up to. Okay, so instead of frequencies we take here weights. Why? Because this is weighted arithmetic mean, no? Okay, so that's why instead of f we take here weights. Okay, so that is the only difference anamata. Okay, so where x bar equals to weighted arithmetic mean summation wi xi equals to total of the variables multiplied by their respective weights. Okay, and summation wi is nothing but total of the weights. Okay, and the next method is combined mean. Okay, na? Combined mean. Okay, so this is also called as pooled mean. Combined mean is also called as pooled mean. So this formula is x bar 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n variables equals to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus and so on plus nn xn bar by n1 plus n2 plus and so on plus nn. Okay, now, so this is the formula for calculating arithmetic mean by using the method combined. Okay, now, combined mean, this is a formula. Okay, and the last method is corrected mean. Okay, na? Corrected mean. How to calculate corrected mean? The formula for calculating corrected mean is corrected mean equals to incorrected summation x minus incorrected item plus corrected item. Corrected item by whole by small n. Okay na? So this is a formula for calculating corrected mean. Corrected mean equals to incorrected summation x minus incorrected item or incorrected value or incorrected observation plus corrected item or corrected value or corrected observation whole by n. Okay, so these are the different methods used to calculate arithmetic mean or mean, we can call it as, or simple mean. Okay, so tomorrow, that means in the next video we'll see one example for one method. Okay, yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give like and don't forget to subscribe if you are watching for the first time, and please share with your friends. Bye, take care, have a nice day.